Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, saws, mills, drills, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over one of our favorite lines, Jet. J-E-T, Jet's been around a long time. They're still around. They're one of the largest in the world of manufacturers of new machinery. They have just about everything. If you look around, you can see we have a lot of machinery in stock, from their mills, their drills, their saws, their lathes. They're right here on the showroom floor, so you can see the difference in quality between this as well as some of the other manufacturers of new machinery and some of the older machinery. We've got it all here on our showroom floors. We'd love to help you out and let you know exactly which machine would be the right one for you. Let us know what projects you have, what type of material you're working with. If you're in a home shop or you're in a full industrial shop, we have the right machine for you. Let us talk to you at 626-444-0311 or check out our website for some great financing options, great delivery options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. This is the Jet VBS-2012. This is a vertical bandsaw with a 20-inch opening. It's got a lot of nice features on this guy. You got your rib fence here, light, work light. That's going to turn on as soon as we allow for this machine to be turned on. So it does have a keyed lockout. Notice you can't do anything here. You put the key in. This is all standard to the machine. Now you got your work light, or we can turn on the machine. Notice the blade welder and grinder. It also comes with a cutoff here. Depending if you're going to use that or not. Some people do use that if they're doing a lot of scrolling or starting from the center of something where you do need to open the blade and then put it into it. But most people will order the blades pre-made, pre-welded. It's a little bit of an art to figure this out to make sure it's a really strong weld. But if you do break a band, you can obviously put it right back on there real quick. You'll notice it's got a blade speed indicator here. We could change the speed in two different ways. Right here we have our little handle, high and low. You'll see now we're at 260. Got a little blade chip blower here that's blowing the blade. That's going to keep all the chips off of it, make it so really clean while it goes through. We'll turn the machine off. Now we're going to open up this box. Notice also the light went off. It has a cutoff for the saw. There's a little trip switch here. Will not allow it to work. You've got your brush here for another blade brush. Now the reason I open this is so you can just move this a little bit for our second speed change. When we're going to put this in the high and low, you can make sure that you're in gear. Close it up. You got your light back on. And now you're in your high speed. We'll wait for the indicator here to come on. 1500 RPM. Let you see the inside of this guy. Really nice heavy duty stuff. Look at the wheels here, very heavy duty and cut. Limit switch on the top as well. Here's your blade guide changer. Your lock for that. And right here on the back, it's going to be your blade tensioning. This is where you'll set your tension for whichever blade you put on there. So you can see it's a very nice stout machine, very heavy duty. It's got nice components on it. Handles are in good condition. Everything looks really stout on these Jet machines. As I say, they do come with a 2-year warranty. Let us know how we can help you, what you're cutting. Let's find the right saw for you. Whether it be a horizontal or vertical bandsaw or a cold saw, we do have them all, new as well as used. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.